welcome back to my channel, and today I have a sponsored video for Valentine's Day for you. A company U10 reached out for me and asked me if I would be interested in showing you the AGM Cinematic Light Box. And I thought, sure, because you could do so much with that, why not? I thought you all might be interested. So let me tell you a little bit about it. It's $20.99. And they are having a promotion right now, so you can get 20% off of it. And it comes with 90 letters. I'll show you the box that it comes in. And it comes with 90 letters, and it has numbers and symbols. Now, there's only one heart, because right here it shows two, but I want you to know, if you're interested, there's only one heart. But you can really do a lot with this. I've had fun playing with it. It also comes with a USB adapter. Now, if you use the USB adapter, you have to take the batteries out, and you cannot use rechargeable batteries in here. But let me tilt this down and let you see. It's sort of washing out because it is white, and white just doesn't do well on the camera. But you can put so many things on here. I put I Love Us and just took some Dollar Tree flowers and put it around there. Let me turn this off and you might be able to see it a little bit better. I think that's easier with the camera. But you could do so much with this. You could count down to Valentine's Day on this. You could put your child's name on here. You could put like a school name, like my high school mascots were the Huskies. You could put Go Huskies. Anything like that, it would be wonderful. You could put a sorority name on there, a fraternity name. You could say happy anniversary or announce that you're going to have a baby this way. I think it would be so sweet. And you could even use this, which is what I think I'm going to start using mine for, is these last couple ideas. Sometimes, like if I'm going to do a special dinner, I may put what I'm actually having for dinner, like the menu. You wouldn't want to list it all, but just like Italian night or something like that. And then, or maybe a dessert, you want to highlight a dessert. Or another thing I'm going to do with it is, like, every once in a while we have movie night. And I'm going to put movie night on here. And if I could spell out the name of the movie, I would also include that there. And then also for game night. I think it would be so cute to put game night. That way everyone in the family can be excited and know it's game night. We're going to have so much fun. So I think this is very versatile. And like I said, it runs on batteries, and you just flip the switch, and the little battery compartment's over here. You can hang it on the wall, or you can just set it, which is what I think I'm going to do. And I just stuck some Dollar Tree flowers right there just to make it look a little festive. But here's what the little letters look like. They just come like this. You get, like I said, 90, and I've picked through mine, but you just open them up and break them off. And you do get numbers and letters. So I thought it would be a really cute little idea to have for Valentine's Day, or anytime really. So I will put all the information to order the light box, if you're interested, in the description box below. And I would like to thank U10 for sponsoring this video of the AGM light box. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.